Here we have a CEM 9000 LabWave 9000 microwave moisture solids analyzer. It comes with a small basket. We did a test on it, and some of these leaves came out really dry after they sat in there about 5 minutes or so. So right now what we have is another leaf which is fresh. This is a fresh leaf, and we're gonna have Ken here start this up, program it, and start it up, and then we'll run it through the cycle here.
Okay, the program's already set up. We've got it running for minute 44 at 100%, and we're gonna start it right now. Here we go.
So, and how many minutes is this?
It was set for 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay, we'll go ahead and wait it out here. It's got still a little bit of time here. This unit is hooked up to 115 volts. Fan working over here. It's got a calibration tag on there too. We're about 30 minutes here, or 30 seconds. See, it dried up the leaves. They're a lot drier. If you run it a little longer, it'll dry up some more. And that is the results right here. Okay, and that's a CEM LabWave 9000.